let it go down now, take the box out.
Okay, just a minute.
How far forward do you want it?
Right, here's otherwise.
Away you go. Another day on, and we're going to have another shot at this machine. See if it'll go flat. We've got a new baseboard put along here instead of the several little separate ones we had before, which went up and down and made the cut go up and down. So we're hoping for a better cut this time on this old wooden looking piece of wood. Wow. Which way? Because it wasn't. Oh, down that way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm just in process of fixing it up, mate. is all non-scientifically.
Let's hope so. Jean looks quite good all painted like that. Quite nice.
Ready?
Yep. You want a break?
Yeah, so we might be going back to the other stuff again.
Yeah.
Oh, if I'd have dropped it or something, or had children mucking around with it or something like that, I could understand it.
Yes, but not the way you've been looking after it.
No, it's been well looked
Look
after.
at this, look at this. Isn't it?
Right, yeah.
No, I have to take it off. Go across there or something. Yeah. Well, now he has to keep it up, sort of thing.
Things have gone really quiet with the mountain blowing up, haven't they?
Yeah.
From Denmark up at National Park shot the other day.
Mm-hmm.
So she's off the wheel now, here, see? She's just white.
Yes, yes. Stop rolling.
Because that's not quite high enough here, you see, really. I should put a board under there. I should put a little board under there. I've got plenty of boards here, see, we're all ready to go, you see.
Mm. You want me to put a bit of weight on the end of that to make sure it holds it back against the end of the button with the other board?
I think she's pretty right now. I won't get this far enough, you see.
Mm.
And I have to swivel once I'm far enough. So, just
You've got this bar out here.
no, see this coming down there, that's what I want actually. It's just you're getting there. See this wheel's around here,
Yes?
the other one's in there.
Yep.
So I have to start turning shortly. As long as I don't fall off the wheel then you're there.
The circuit can come out at Ophong. Yeah. Oh, it wouldn't have been as old as yours, but it was a lot older than my car. And it was a couple of Model A Fords.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure what as long as it doesn't land on Joe's foot. You'll hear the crash then.
I'll say. There'll be a bit of noise pollution around here.
You want me to hold that over for you
Yeah,
with a bit of a bar or something?
I have to put a piece of food on that has to stay up.
Yeah.
I don't want that tension race there, but I want it up, not going down. It's too warm.
Look out!
Really good light, but I can get.
me to drag it out while you bow?
No, no, it's right.
Oh, I'm using it for a lever. She's on there.
It's in there.
Yeah.
It's in there.
Mm.
What's longer? Right, they can't. Hold it a bit, they can't just let it run down there. Otherwise it's too much of a pain.
Just let it down a bit at a time, eh?
Yeah, I can't let it go down.
No, it's too far, isn't it? It's on the rail.
Now you should run. That's easy enough when she's on rail, of course. Yes.
Very good. Very pleased?
Huh?
Very pleased?
Yeah, it goes good. There's a new blade of course looking good. I had it slow running, but it goes very straight. Keep coming back, it's just shapes the scene a bit up.
Yes, so there's no curve.
No curve.
No.
No, this is much better than the sawmill up there.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. In the heart.
Yep.
It's about the same, is it? Is it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's got quite a nice grain on that one.
Yeah, it's already hard here, see, there are some parts. I cut it into little 2-inch boards.
What are you doing there?
Oh, that is blade there, so it is too far there.
Oh, you're setting the right height.
Yeah. I have to get it the right, you know, to give me the right measurement.
Yes.
I have to. Well, it only gives me 2 frames.
Yes. No, 3. No.
I'm not in a hurry to get the cuts in.
No. No.
As long as the cuts in. Have a look at this, is already a bigger cut now. And I had it running a bit faster. The blade is on warmer and isn't like that, so
Oh,
that's all.
good.
But I've got to make a guard. It blows all the dust on here, see? When it sits on the wheel, they can't have that.
Oh, right on the rail.
See? It comes through there, all it needs is a little
Yes.
guard.
Yes,
And
yes.
I've got to do that now. I want to
Yes,
do it now. It's no
yes.
point, I've got to do it anyhow, so I might as well do these things now.
Yes.
Look at this one here. Man. Oh, see how straight it is. Man, this is as straight as a bloody thing.
thing.
Oh, how nice to have such a lovely cut.
Yeah,
Can't
as straight as
believe.
a rail. See, it all depends on the bottom rail.
Yes.
Before that, in there, on the planks, they were given. And
Yes.
This is very heavy.
Yes.
This is a lot of weight in that pulley.
Yes. Yes.
It's more than on that one. The inside one doesn't go, but it's out here. Did he come a bit? No? I've seen that one already.
Oh, I think so. That's just all 40.
What are
What's
you?
that?
That's just all 40.
Too
you-
thin?
Good enough. I just think the thinner boards off here would get gradually get.
And this is some of the wood he's already sawed. And a load went away this morning, and a load the night before, even afternoon before. And this will be the next load to go. I'm sawmilling today, and for a chap up in National Park, he wants 4-inch planks. So he's got one lot here, and another lot ready to go. Oh, nearly ready. Joe's just busy winding it up onto the ramp. He's got 2 ropes on there, one down the far end, and now it's on the top. Very good, Joseph. Joe just opened a box of a nice new blade for his bandsaw, put it on the bandsaw, cut into this trunk here, and hit 2 nice big staples and wrecked the blade completely. And so he hopes that it's not going to happen again. It was right in the middle of the tree. Must have been put in when it was young. Well, it was just a little sapling used like a fence post. So he sharpened it all up again, but it will never be quite as good as it was at the beginning.
See? Now we have to keep wandering down.
Yep. She's all chopped up underneath to stop it from rolling over. That's the beauty of having a log that doesn't move. The machine moves instead. Take your clutch undone.
No, yeah. Oh, well, I don't know. See, that's got just a crack here now.
Yes, that's quite good to get that crack just there. Very nice.